Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming system compatibility and backing up chats on your phone. This prevents data loss. Once done, close WhatsApp on both PC and phone so the installer can replace files cleanly. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and at least 2 GB free disk space because the download and temporary files need room. Also disable VPN or proxies temporarily. They often block the update process. Now open the official WhatsApp app or the Microsoft Store to fetch the latest install. You run the downloaded installer or trigger the update in the Microsoft Store. Run it as administrator to allow file replacement and required permissions. While the PC installs, the app may relaunch automatically. Let it finish and sign in if prompted. Once the PC app is ready, open WhatsApp on your phone and go to Settings, then link devices to scan the QR code displayed on the PC. This step reestablishes end-to-end encrypted session keys, so your chats sync securely and quickly. You finish by confirming that chats and media have synced and that notifications are enabled. This ensures continuity. If the QR linking fails, restart both devices and retry. Restarting clears transient Bluetooth, camera, or network issues that block scanning. If the installer errors or the app crashes, uninstall the old PC app, clear temporary files, and reinstall the official package. This removes corrupted files. If problems persist, check Windows/Mac OS updates and firewall rules, then try linking again. These steps resolve most update failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.